亲爱的朋友们，正如歌曲《难忘茉莉花》所传递的那份纯净与美好，我们对春节的庆贺，饱含着对一个更加和平、更加和谐世界的向往。
祝愿大家在新的一年里，如同茉莉花一般绽放出最美的笑容，也真诚希望世界各地不同文明和谐共处，各国人民相知相亲。
Thank you. And just as the unforgettable jasmine flower conveys purity and beauty, the celebration of the Spring Festival also symbolizes our shared longing for a more peaceful and harmonious world. May you all be welcome to the new year with smiles as radiant as the jasmine flower. Thank you all and Happy Spring Festival!
谢谢大家，再次恭祝朋友们
新春快
快乐
乐，万事如意。
Okay, thank you everyone. Now,
再次感谢大家，祝大家
谢谢
新春快乐。
so thank you everyone last time and I wish you all have a nice Spring Festival.